How to log into your Freeletics account after forgetting password. Here, the very first thing you want to do is simply open your Freeletics application, or you can visit the freeletics.com, and then from here you can simply tap on the menu bar on the top left, and here you'll actually be able to get the login button. Tap on that one and get into login page. If you're on the application, you'll be able to get that login button on the very first of the application. Tap on it, get into the login page, and now here, if you have forgotten your password, all you need to do is simply type down forgot password option right here, and once you do that, you'll need to add in your email address of your account. Once you add in the email address, here you can simply tap on the option send password. Then you'll actually be able to get your own password on your email address. So you can simply open your email inbox. There you'll be able to see the password given by Freeletics. Then you'll need to remember that password, and then you can come back to your login page where you can simply add in the new password that was given by Freeletics. And just like that, when you tap on login, you'll successfully be able to log into your Freeletics account. So yeah, that's all. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.